Today we will learn about magnetic effect of electric current, which is one of the very important chapter of class 10. As always, we will try to understand things in easiest way, and it is my responsibility to explain things to you and build your concept. Now what you guys have to do is to just watch this video till the end. Now let's first understand what is the meaning of this term magnetic effect of electric current. When we allow electricity to pass through a wire or conductor, you know what's happened? A magnetic field produced around it, or in other words, you can say that an electric current can produce magnetism. You can understand this term more clearly with the help of an activity. As you can see in this picture, when a copper wire is wrapped around a large iron nail and both the end of the copper wire are connected to the battery, then a small iron nail starts sticking to that particular nail. You may wonder how this can be happen. This happened because a magnetic field produced around that nail and behave like a magnet. Now let's understand what is magnet. We all have played with magnet in our childhood. Magnet is an object which has ability to attract a piece of iron, nickel, cobalt and etc. There are different shapes of magnet: horseshoe magnet, bar magnet, U-shaped magnet, ring magnet. But today we will talk about only a bar magnet. A bar magnet is rectangular in shape and it has two poles, north pole and south pole. Opposite pole always attract each other and similar pole always repel each other. Now what is the meaning of this statement that opposite pole attract each other and similar pole repel each other? Suppose we have two bar magnet. North pole of a magnet attract the south pole of another magnet. In the same way, south pole of a magnet attract the north pole of another magnet. But remember one thing, that this was the case of attraction. What about case of repulsion? Let's see. Again we have two bar magnet. North pole of a magnet repel the north pole of another magnet. In the same way, south pole of a magnet repel the south pole of another magnet. Nowadays, magnet used for many purposes. It is used in radio, television, computer, generators, MRI and etc. Now let's move to our next topic, which is magnetic field. We can easily define this term that the area or space around the magnet where a magnetic force is exerted is called magnetic field, or it is a boundary around the magnet where an iron nail begins to stick. If you have not understood this, then I have another way to explain this term. The presence of magnetic field can also be detected with the help of a compass. As soon as we take the compass near the magnet, the needle of the compass start deflect. This happened because of the magnetic field. And remember this point, magnetic field is a vector quantity. You know why I am saying this? Because it has both direction as well as magnitude. Now let's have a look one more term, that is magnetic field line. If you have understand what is magnetic field, then understanding the magnetic field lines is not so difficult. The line drawn to describe the magnetic field are called magnetic field line, and it has some special property, and that is what we call the property of magnetic field line. The very first property, that magnetic field lines are always start from north pole and ends in the south pole. But this direction will change inside the magnet. It starts from south pole and ends in the north pole. It depends upon whether you are talking about inside the magnet or outside the magnet. According to that, you have to answer. Second property, the magnetic field lines are closest to the pole, but they are widely separated at the other place, as you can clearly observe in this picture. That is the reason the strength of a magnet is greater near the pole as compared to the other places. Third property, magnetic field lines can never intersect each other, and it can be also said that the magnetic field lines can never cross each other. Maybe a student have this question, why they don't intersect each other? Then let me answer. If two magnetic field lines intersect at a point, then that magnetic field will have two directions at a point, which can never be possible, and that is why we say the magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Hopefully I can say that you have understand all this concept very well. If you found this video informative, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get regular notification. See you in the next video.